Peugeot is a French car brand, which is famous for its lion logo, announced that they will carry out electrification its products on the blue continent Europe in 2025, and it was not done without reason, apart from the electrification trend increasing by 70% this year. Peugeot CEO Linda Jackson said that the sales of products EVs in Europe are very satisfying. He will target to sell the EV lineup in the international market, as well as momentum to emphasize Peugeot as an eventive premium brand. Even though they have a strategy to sell non-products their EV, and how is it implemented? Let's discuss it. Application of the power of choice strategy. Although Peugeot targets electrification by 2025, they still apply the power of choice strategy while continuing to offer products with petrol and diesel engines, along with plug-in hybrid and full EV for each product. Currently, Peugeot's plug-in hybrid products consist of the Peugeot 3008 Facelift, 508 PSE, and 508 SW. All offer two engine options, namely a hybrid consisting of one electric motor and front-wheel drive, and hybrid which consists of two electric motors and AWD drive. The latest model in Peugeot's PHEV family is the Peugeot 308 version headback and also SW. As usual, Peugeot is offering Allure and GT trims for the 508 SW model, and have different configurations. And here is the inside interior. The first, with memory foam padding, made of soft and thick memory foam, can reduce abrasion caused by elbow friction during long-term driving, effectively relieves pressure on your arms, while providing better support for your elbows. Make your driving experience more comfortable. The second, enhanced comfort, made of high-quality materials, car armrest cushion. This effectively reduces the pressure on your arms, while providing better support for your elbows. Make your driving experience more comfortable. With this center console cover, you can enjoy time traveling or camping in a long time. The third, provides complete protection. Armrest pad. This can reduce the abrasion caused by elbow friction during long-term riding, quite thick, to protect your car from animal claws, dirt, dust and other debris. The fourth, easy installation. Armrest pads are secured with elastic straps. No tools required, just slide up the center console. Armrest pad does not interfere with the use of the center console or back box. For the interior, is expected to feature recycled materials for the seats, a futuristic style inspired by the concept, and an advanced infotainment system that can be upgraded significantly. Peugeot wants to extend the life cycle of vehicles' next-generation electricity. That's why designers are looking for ways to refresh some of their components, including interior design. For other latest information, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe. See you in the next video.